Hello, I'm going to say how to make a cat game. So first, let's get our sprites, means the characters in the animals. We could choose. You could choose anything for your catching game, for catching the things. I'm going to choose a puppy. Here is a puppy. Let's add a backdrop also. This is what I like. Okay, now let's see how to make the puppy to go left or right. So take in the events, take when green flag is clicked, then you must go here and here's go to random position, but instead of random position, let's go to mouse pointer and set y to 123. It's minus 123. It's minus 123. And now let's press the green flag. It's only been checking once. We must check it for the whole time. So let us put a forever loop block. Now it will continuously be checked and it will not go up nor down. It will stay in 123. Now I have got the catcher, which is my puppy. Now let's get a bone for it. I'm going to paint it. For the paint, we press this and then we press this here. I choose white color because you know what color are these. White. Here is it. Now let's also fill it in white. Now after doing that, we need to make it very small. You see, it's bigger than the puppy. So the size we can make it to 20. Now you see, that's a good size to start. Now another, when green flag clicked, then it must go at the random place at top. So it motion, random position, and now here it is. Y means how high it is and X means from left to right. So Y must be at 180. Set Y to 180. Now you see, it's at the random position at the top whenever I click. Now we must make the bone to fall down. So we must keep it here. Put a forever loop and change y by -5. Now you see, it will go all the way down to the bottom. Oh, now it's stuck. So we have to make it be at the bottom and then we must make it go back to the top. So how we would do it? Now when it go to the bottom, it must go back to the top. So we, in the forever block, here's a helpful block which we need to use it a lot of time. An if then block, it will check what we have to do. So from the operators, we have to take a less than block. So if y position is less than minus 170, so if it is that, then we need to put the same code right inside this. Now you see, when we do it, it will continuously go and come down, and then it will come back up. Now I need to make the dog catch it, because we don't want it to go all the way through it. So for that, we must put another. So here's when clicked the green flag inside a forever loop, we must put an if then. Now after that, if touching puppy, so from the sensing, touching, not mouse pointer, the puppy. Now we put the puppy. We must put the same code which is here. Go to random position, set y to 180 here. So when we click, it will go back to the start. Let's also add sound. This looks like this is the bite sound. This is bite sound. Now, to keep the track of the score, we must make a variable. If you haven't seen this before, a variable will keep track of your project. So make a variable and type score. Now set the score to 0. So after we set score to 0, then change score by 1. So when it touches the puppy, we would get a score. Now let's play the game together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, that's the game what I wanted to show you. Thank you.